Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and today we're going to be talking about Vechain, where are we at, where are we going, and what's happening. If you like the videos, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks so much everyone for the amazing support that you show this channel every single day. Let's get right into it because there is some really important things for you guys to know about Vechain to make sure that you don't get out too early and see these 20-30% rises as huge successes, when reality is that in a couple of months time we could be seeing Vechain way higher. So stick around, strap yourselves in, and let's get right to it. So I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice, so please do your own research. The whole point of these videos is to give you the tools, the information of what I've researched, and then for you to go and do your own. So Vechain will be onboarding an extra 250 more clients, transforming technology value to business value. And what's really important about cryptocurrency right now and the particular coins that you decide to go with is that they need to have real life case studies. I'll say it again. They must have a real life case study and problems that they're solving in the market right now. And Vechain is one of those 5-star blockchains that tick all the boxes. Now on this channel, we do talk quite a lot about Vechain because the infrastructure, what it does, the way it does it, is phenomenal. And so I highly encourage you, if you haven't already, do your own research on Vechain because it is phenomenal. So an extra 250 businesses coming on board. Also, Europe has mentioned that they could potentially be using Vechain for their digital passport when it comes to vaccination tracking. Now, this isn't a video about vaccinations or you should not. The thing is that Vechain and its blockchain could be used as the digital passport for Europe, and more information on that in the coming days. The other news to come out of the Vechain world is in Shanghai Retail Industry Conference. As the world's leading enterprise-friendly blockchain platform, Vechain was invited to attend the summit and won the annual Best Retail Technology Innovation Award. So China has been a huge advocate for Vechain. Vechain is a Singaporean-based business, but a lot of businesses in China are dealing already with Vechain. China will launch its own digital yuan later this year and will start to open up its country to investing in blockchain and cryptocurrency, which we're going to see the market absolutely explode. So great, and well done to the Vechain team. Now, from a technical basis, Magnetic ATH posted on here, y'all know what we're going to happen with VET right now. So you can see the chart here of what happens in this particular trend. And then obviously what he's saying here is that we're about to, go for another higher high. So very exciting. A couple of scenarios, there's been so much talk about, where could we go? What's it going to get to? I mean, at an absolute crazy scenario is that the market just goes absolutely ballistic and we get to $3.60 Vechain. That is, but for that it would be, way overvalued, and the whole market being overvalued like it happened in 2017, and we would see a massive correction. Scenarios where Vechain hits 80 cents and $1 are far more realistic, and already that would be a huge achievement in 2021 to get to that. However, when markets go crazy, they go crazy. And so I want you to keep an eye on this, and we will keep an eye on the channel about where it's going. But I want to give you all scenarios. 80 cents to $1, I'm extremely bullish on that. Beyond that, we have to take a look at the market and what happens. It will also depend on how big the cryptocurrency market is. If this is a 5 trillion cryptocurrency market at the end of the bull run, is it a $10 trillion market at the end of the bull run? These are all very important things. So we'll keep a very close eye on that. But I want to give you all of this information. We've got a beautiful chart forming here as well in regard, and it's an extremely bullish chart what we're seeing right now, and it's following a very nice line. The other scenarios, as I mentioned, I believe, when you look at VET USD and the chart, again, going to 85, 90 cents, I'm almost certain of it. Now, not financial advisor, this isn't financial advice, but based on my own personal research, I believe that 80 to 90 cents is definitely going to happen. And we see it time and time again, on whichever way we look at it, that this is, I believe this is going to happen. How quickly can we get there? I'm not entirely sure exactly on a definite timeline. July, August is what I'm sort of thinking right now. So again, going back to crazy scenarios and what could be, possibly the absolute best case scenario for VET, We saw wave 1 and wave 2. We're in wave 3 right now, which should take us to 70, 80 cents. We'll then have a recorrection and could go down to as low as 13 cents during wave 4. And then if we get to wave 5, or when I should say we get to wave 5, it may not necessarily be 2021, it could be 2022, but in 2022 we could see a one Vechain be worth $4.50, which from where we are right now at 8 cents is an astronomical number. So thank you so much, guys. I really do appreciate every single one of you. Here's another little example of what's about to happen. But let me know in the comments, where do you think we're going to end up at the end of 2021? What's your price prediction? Put your price prediction in the comments, and where you're from as well, because I'd love to know where you guys are from. So many of you have joined the channel, and thank you so much for all the support that you do. A quick video today, giving you my own personal research and what I think is going to happen. But let me know in the comments, what do you think is going to happen? And I look forward to see you on the next one.